Hello, I'm here with another query. Google Ads has miscategorized my account as a financial service. How do I fix this? Okay, I'm gonna do my best not to crash out here. Okay, Google Ads has stopped my ads because it thought I'm a financial service, where in reality I'm just a personal training service. I already indicated my service category, so I'm not too sure why it did this. I try to find a way to figure out how to contact someone, and I can't contact a single human or AI bot. I'm just so confused. Any guidance? Okay, yeah. So, if you have ever been mistakenly being labeled for financial service while you are not doing it, there may be several checks which I recommend you to do before even reaching out to the Google. Okay, there may be a miscommunication by the Google end as well, but if the crawler has detected, I would re-review your website. If you opt for our Google Ads Disapproval service, you can find the details in the description of this video regarding our company service. So what we do is, we overview all of the, your website for compliance, including your contact policy, privacy policy, all your terms, conditions, and then the wordings. Sometimes there is a word which is triggering it. Sometimes there is an image alt. There is a coding back something in a coding, something in a plugin, or any other issue, which is why Google has wrongly labeled it. These are some of the possibilities which I am assuming over here. Sometimes your ad copy has thing over here, which is why. So I will overview and go through them as well. Okay, this is an optional thing, not required, but because I'm saying that if you do not do this, the Google gonna make it more longer to get it approved. Now, as a Google partner, we have a dedicated support to get it restored up and running. So what we do is, after sorting it out on the website errors for the compliance, we reach out to the Google, we discuss regarding them, and get manual approval through the Google team to get it approved. We have many cases. If you watch around our videos, you may find we have many cases for the Google Ads disapprovals where we help the client. So if you are being wrongly labeled as a financial service and want to get it sorted, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com. So again, the overview of the procedure I have told you, and if you want to do it all on your own, you can still do it. It's not necessary, but the procedure is going to be a little bit time taking, that you have to go through all of this. And then after the changes you've done on your website, make sure to update them on Google Search Console, so the fresh crawler can look around in your website for any possible errors. And after this, the team is going to review your ad and account to manually approve. There are various ways through which you can reach out to the Google. You can find the support channel on your Google chat as well. But again, this is going to take time, which is why I'm recommending you to hire me and my company through the link in the description and get it fast to get it restored. So yeah, I hope this answers your question and query. And if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, a Google partner company. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.